as a way of saying thank you, I'd like to do one last piece for you and share a thought with you. So, if you could. Thanks you, Lauren. As you go through life, at some point you'll find that you may lose some money. It happens. At some point you may find you lose a possession, like a ring. Hopefully you get it back as quickly as you did this evening. Sometimes we make friends. Drew, Megan, thank you so much. Sometimes we lose friends. Stella, I hope I haven't lost you as a friend. Thank you. But there's one thing that nobody can take from us. They're truly our most precious possession. And those are our memories. And as a way of saying thank you, I'd like to share with you one of my most precious memories. When I was a child, I used to go exploring through the house. And in my father's study, with all his mathematics and physics books, was something that always caught my eye. For on his desk, there was a paperweight. It was made out of glass so that you could see through it. And it was filled with water. Inside was a wintry scene. Snow on the ground, and when you shook it up, there was a blizzard, a snowstorm. I always wanted to get inside.